What's up, guys? In this video, I'll be giving you a demo of how AI can help you to automate your social media posting and how it can help you to create content for your social media channels. Okay, so let's get started. So once you log in inside my Comfy AI software, you just have to go to marketing. Okay, so when you go to marketing, you can connect all your social media accounts here like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest. Just connect all your social media accounts here. This is a one-time process, and once you have connected the accounts, then the software will help you to post your social media content in these accounts on automation. Okay, so once you have connected these accounts, it will look something like this. Let's say I'll go click on marketing here, and as you can see here, basically I've connected my Facebook and Instagram accounts out here. Okay, so my accounts are already connected, and as you can see, I have scheduled the posts in different dates. So first October Instagram post, 3rd October Facebook post. So you can schedule these posts in advance, so you also get a calendar basically here. So you can go out and schedule the posts in advance, like this in your calendar, so you can have months of posts created in advance. Okay, so once basically you have connected your accounts, click on the new post button here, click on create new post, and here you just click on the drop down and check all the accounts where you want to post your content. Okay, so I have selected my Facebook, Instagram here, and if you have your content, then you can paste your content here. But if you don't have it, AI can help you to write very high quality content for you. But if you don't have your content, AI can actually help to write very high quality content for you. Okay, so just click on the AI button here and click on generate with AI, and now you can basically paste the description. Okay, so I'll click here, and you just have to write the description of the content you want to create. So I want to write a content based on how to take care of your skin and hair while traveling. So I'll just paste a small description here. This is the content I want to create. Okay, and basically I can just put a title. Okay, and I'm basically telling AI what type of content AI has to create for me. Okay, then you can add keywords. So basically, this can also help you to automate your SEO, because the content that AI will be creating, it will be optimizing the content based on SEO, right? So I'll just put in, let's say, skin, hair, skin and hair care in India. For example, this is my keyword. Okay, I want to optimize my content with this keyword. So I'll just put in keyword. You can put multiple keywords. Okay, you can put your writing tone. So as you can see, there are so many tones you can create your content. Funny, casual, excited, professional, witty, grumpy, secretive, respectful. So you just pick up any tone you want. Okay, so let's say I'll pick up a funny tone. Let's say, uh, you know, let's see how it writes, how it creates the content in the funny tone. Okay, so now number of variations, how many pieces of content you want. Okay, so you can have like up to 5 pieces of content at a time. So I'll just put in one piece of content right now, and you can even put in length. Okay, small, medium, large, and you can even give custom words here. So I'll put the length as medium. Okay, so now I have everything filled up here. So I'll click on generate, and AI will go out and create the content for me with all hashtags, SEO, optimization, everything. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the content created by AI. These are the details which we gave to the AI, and this is the content created by AI. So as you can see, hey Glober trotters and beauty warriors, are you tired of your hair looking like it's been in a tussle with a tornado every after every flight? This is, as you can see, this is a funny tone. Okay, if you read this content, okay, I'll not read the entire content. Okay, you can pause the video and read the entire content. You'll see it's a funny tone basically. Okay, and also you'll see it has optimized the content based on the keyword. Okay, so if we like prodding, see this is a skin and hair care in India. It has optimized the content based on keyword. So you can read this entire. It also provides you all the hashtags you need for the content. Emojis are also included. So now this content is perfect. Okay. So now basically you want to go out and use this content. You can click on copy, and this content will be pasted here, and you click on continue. And when I click on continue, the content will basically go out and get posted on my Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so I'm not clicking on continue right now because I don't want skin and hair content right now to be pasted on my social media. This is just a demo video. This is basically how the this AI function works. Okay, so you can basically go out and use this content the way you want. You can even create emails in the similar way, follow up emails, WhatsApp messages in a similar way, social media posts. All this you can create using this content AI feature. Okay, so now I'll click on cancel here for now. And let's say you want to create an image. So you click on image here, and you want the AI to create the image for you relating to this content. So I'll click on create image using AI. Okay, and now let's say I'll put a simple take care of your skin and hair. Let's say I'll put the simple description here. Okay, and this is describe your image basically. To describe your image here, how many images you want. So type in how many images you want. I'll put in one right now, and your different styles of images you can put, right, like photo, dreamlike, digital art, poster, vector, colorful, animated, different type of images you can choose basically. Got it? So let's say I'll take something like dreamlike, maybe, let's say. Let's see what AI gives me back. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want basically. So I'll click on dreamlike and click on generate. Oh, so this gave me like a dreamlike image for skin and hair. Okay, so it's a pretty image. Okay, and that's it. So in a matter of like 2 minutes, it has helped you to create what do you say, an image, a social media post, and you just click a button, and then the post goes out to all your social media channels basically. So this was the demo for the social media marketing automation and the content AI automation, and wish you all the very best and success. Goodbye, take care, see ya.